What if your next foldable phone could last more than a decade just by folding it every single day? That's the kind of durability Samsung is promising with its Galaxy Z Fold 7, and it's getting a lot of people talking. At the heart of this durability leap is the new foldable OLED screen built by Samsung Display. According to their latest announcement, this screen has passed a brutal endurance test conducted by a trusted third-party company, Bureau Veritas. The result? It survived over 500,000 folds. That's more than twice as many as the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which was rated for about 200,000 folds. To break that down into everyday use, if you're an average user opening and closing your phone around 100 times a day, you're looking at more than 10 years of use before the screen shows any major fatigue. Even for heavy users who fold it up to 200 times daily, the phone should still last at least 6 years. Now that's impressive, so how did Samsung pull this off? They went back to the drawing board and rebuilt the screen structure from the inside out, inspired by how bulletproof glass works. They redesigned the panel to better absorb and spread out impact. One of the biggest upgrades is a 50% thicker ultra-thin glass, also known as UTG. This thicker glass sits right under the surface and offers much stronger protection than before. Then there's the highly elastic adhesive and a lightweight but tough titanium plate on the back. All these changes work together to handle pressure better and prevent damage, even when folded thousands of times. Samsung Display even managed to keep the entire panel thinner despite adding more protection, which is a win for both performance and looks. The durability tests were carried out over 13 days at 25 degrees Celsius or 77 degrees Fahrenheit, and unlike some other brands, especially from China, that rely on their internal labs for numbers, Samsung's test was verified independently. That gives more confidence in what they're saying. In fact, most Chinese foldable phones use numbers based on their own lab testing, which may not reflect real-world usage. Samsung, on the other hand, brought in an international certification company to back up its claims. This adds a layer of trust that many users appreciate. According to Hojing Li, the executive vice president and head of the mobile display product planning team at Samsung Display, this new panel marks a meaningful improvement in both durability and design. He believes this step forward will make more people trust foldable phones in general and help Samsung maintain its lead in foldable screen technology. With this update, Samsung isn't just refining foldables, they're future-proofing them. If people were hesitant to buy foldables because they feared the screen wouldn't last, this announcement should clear up a lot of those concerns. A foldable phone that can handle over 500,000 folds without losing performance is a strong statement. It shows just how far Samsung has come in making foldable phones a serious, long-term choice rather than a short-lived experiment. So, if you're someone who's been waiting for foldables to get tougher and more reliable, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 might be the one to finally convince you. It's stronger, smarter in its design, and backed by credible testing. Let us know in the comments, does this level of durability make you more likely to try a foldable phone? Don't forget to like the video and hit that subscribe button for more simple and useful tech updates.